nilai lang ru sakai mo takadang ong ngai fi ngai fi ka figa mana afulai ngong kitang dan bun afulai ki haidas kinang bun nomor balik kan bangidang yu kendo ki haidas kidang itu makiru kidang itu ba kita rubi kendo kita buat dia alumuri rubi kendo mo kita kena ki budan hajan bai thiet lang alumuri ru ni hap ki tu ni hap contact trace te kawara jige takadang isa ong si ong ba dengi mas kawai banlat kebaar dia naimi syabab kumbala ong I sermon ni deputy chief minister Badampuram ila ada bang kumbala kalong mentang kejinglong jingman kambaha bat ngaru ngayai bani kata apa kambaha
kumung sokok ba gangdon boyok mana yoi bona syabab
benuh yo ni yo
mana yo long di sini long ba kadang pun tak bisa ni kata hotel
bukan ni di part jo ketu bomenin
yang hotel kan yang income yang hotel tu bisa
bukan ke peceni ni hapan nang bat im no bo ka benta tang sio tang in kan no para kat ka nom lang ka silong isan detai se ketu kamera nomor tak kadang ni quarantine ki ko kamera kamu ki kidan be ketu kamera tang isan detai ni itu kamera ni tang sio ai sodium bahaya population ulaya betul nya benda ni tinggi je ketu kamera asking license tu ladang sanitize ulaya pakai gitu dagarang isa ay gini gadway sri watni shabar watnum lek than gini ki khawai dawai gini bayak beriu ye da village du fidang mas ye nama beli kana jarang gini kada don contact tracing ke bon gi basusi yang beli contact tracing ni ndengi pada nak kamram ko ji kalong wangi ngi de ban ay ka jingi ada ya berkhat ndai tangi be ar ni hab ay do ya berkhat takada da fidai manu ru da ngi haban contact trace ngi hable ngi le dan ni dengan yang betul.
Doctor,
no, Penthor, what happened is that we had gone to Penthor because there is one positive case which had come out from the people who had attended the wedding ceremony at Greenwood Resort, Khanapara, Guwahati. And from these, we have got 2 positive cases who have attended. They are in civil hospital now. Contact tracing for both of them has been done. The first one we have got positive. We have already got 23 high-risk cases where samples have been taken and have been asked to be quarantined. But there will be more. There will be much more. And the second positive case from this wedding is 21. And we are expecting more, and our team is still there in at the ground and doing the tracing as of now, even right now also. That there was a wedding, so these people have been moving around. That is why we are doing the contact tracing. So all these people who are high risk contacts, where they have come into contact directly with the people, we have identified, and we are identifying in the process of identifying them from, because we are asking other sources also. And once we get to know them, we take the samples and we ask them to quarantine. And all these reports are awaited now. So by tomorrow we will know exactly what is the position. No, once we explain, we counsel to them. Now they have been very cooperative and they have been telling us whom they have called for the wedding, who are the people who have visited them in the house, whom they have visited, which shop they have gone to. They have cooperated. I think there's still a contradiction. From the house they are saying that 15. What we have come to know is 26. But the thing is that we are doing the contact tracing. So once we have got all these people who have attended, they will be telling us also who are the other people missing from the list. Kan ai ki kata mo ringkat le tinggal ada pha ngila ada pha lo dia ki ai ya kini kin dapo biasa kila pha kila sim sampel le berkhat nama kebetulan affected yang di tangga tu ke area mo kalingkan ketu kalau siliang wa ke kam tu ki kalau siliang wa te baki kin ya krelang baki civilian se de koi kalian ka kham long ka khamnya oh te kalau ni ngirapan ne baki BSF ya kini ki rapid test bagi le apa ni composite hospital apa umpling 6000 hundred te ya ketika rapid test RT-PCR ke ale news pa live husan ngiyo R hundred ki positive Kibadang up pada ke result kena sispak dah. Mo. Tiga ni kadang sekali. Kini kebagi involve kini BSF kini mainly tang shani kalian mo. Kini kini apa ni kini cam joki dobasi para. Kita lihat dobasi para. Aspa Andrew Fuad mendan positif. Kita apa dengan result setang lai safulai. Kemudian the rest kini kita sudah. Tiga ni ke Pahari Nagar. Pahari Nagar Nyofo mendan positif. Kebanginan apa deh Kendai. Kini ke Dan Kagre Sanfuar Nginang up secondary mendan positif. Kita kemudian kalau kani spread ke Shillong ke faintang apa maki keberan hang ni. Tikai ke ba ni ngidon ke jengkerman kalau baru gini kilong asymptomatic load. Di tahun nomor mengisim mengites iki nak contact tracing ngilap kilong positif. Mereka mendan dipanggil dan ni. Kalau ay kimle afunri afsan mil wiye kimil keceka kita ni umpli ha pro afunri ni we female di lock jeng tu we ni balong positif nang tu total active case long Sanfuar
52
recovered 45 number of samples sent for testing 22,221 number of persons tested negative 21,902 key active case kumbalong mentaksi hadu mentar kilong Sanfuar kibala recover kilong Safusan sampel bangi test hadu mentaksi kilong Arfuar Hajar Aspa Arfuway samples kiba one negative kilong Arfuway Hajar Kandai Spa R. The number of samples awaited are 220. Ngidang api ke report ke Aspa Arfu. But kibri barung po Meghalaya hadu mentaksi hadu RWJ menski kilong Arfu Hajar Andrew Spa Kandai Fulai. Lagi ni active case ngidon live Kusau hapo East Khasi Hills na BSF kidon Arfun Rail Arfsan ngut Kishenrang but you can take na Air Force Wararun kidik Kishenrang kiway pada kilong Rail South Kishenrang but Kikentay Ribhai Khatsao Prak Kishenrang Ndriu Kikentay Southwest Garo Hills Nil East Jaita Hills Iway West Garo Hills Lai Kishenrang Iway Kikentay